of your favorite style or genre of music. Close your eyes and hear it play through your mind. Jazz, rock, country, big band, hip hop, gospel, praise and worship. How does your favorite music make you feel? Let's rock. Are you walking through a storm that feels like it will never end? Do you wonder if life's storms have stolen the beauty from your life for good? You're in the right place. My name is Heather, and like you, I've been through a storm or two and wondered if life would ever be beautiful again. Here we share warriors' words, stories of discovering beauty after battles, and the worth in your wounds. Pick up your sword or boxing gloves and join the battle. Your words are powerful, my friends. Make them warrior words. God mounts his throne to shouts of joy, a blare of trumpets for the Lord. That's from Psalm 47. I was a teenager in the 80s, and call me biased, but I think the 80s were one of the best musical decades. I loved my metal bands, or hair bands, as we used to call them. I loved it when they could sing a hard-hitting song 1 minute and a heart-melting ballad the next. Music, whichever genre is your favorite, makes us feel things and can stir up an entire range of emotions. So when you hear that God mounts his throne to shouts of joy and there's a blare of trumpets for the Lord, how does that make you feel? It makes me filled with excitement and joy, kind of like what I felt at all those 80s concerts. Probably a little better. The difference, though, most of those rockers are not making music anymore, and I'm not interested in large crowds at concerts. I wouldn't have the same excitement at this stage in my life. But God, he is the same yesterday, today, and tomorrow. People throughout the ages have been and are still making music, praising and worshiping him. And I kind of anticipate this continuing until the end of time and likely beyond, because I can't imagine heaven without music. In the meantime, we can still allow music to stir our emotions. Like in episode 94, when Kimberly allowed music to calm her, soothe her, and ultimately facilitate the beginning of her healing. And then it stayed with her throughout. There is just so much beauty in music. So I ask you, what do you need music to stir in you? Is it healing? Can music help you sleep or calm your anger? How about maybe help you reminisce about days gone by? Or maybe bring joy and elicit excitement, as the psalmist describes. So pick a genre, any genre, your favorite type of music, and go make your joyful noise to the Lord with your own blare of trumpets. That's it for now. Remember, armor up, fight the good fight, seek beauty, and make your words warrior words. God bless.